In this video, we'll be creating this in After Effects. Alright, drag and drop the audio file inside the new composition. Hit LL on the keyboard to show up the waveforms so that you'll be able to know the exact timing where to place the text, right? The whole idea of this video is to make different text animations and randomizing it throughout your timeline, and even randomizing the color of the background and the color of the text from black to white throughout the timeline. For instance, I created a position information and animate the position from bottom to top like this. And for the next text, I used the tracking text animation. Alright, I then duplicate the first text animation and use it for the next slide, change the text background and the color of the text, right? And what I did was only change the position of Y to X, like this. What I like to do is assign a different color for all the separate text and backgrounds, like this, so that it's a little bit easier to work. I've already made a video on how to make this text animation, so if you want to learn that, go check that out. So the only thing that I added was add a posterized time effect and change the frame rate to 12 so that it looks choppy and looks like a stop motion style, and it blends with the music. And if you're struggling to make random text animation, then you can watch more tutorials here, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care.